Hello, sir. My name is Karan Patel, and our topic is travel management system. And this PPT is created by me and Deep Pandya. Introduction. Travel and tourism management system is used to book a tour from anywhere in the world by a single dynamic website, which will help the user to know all about the places and tour details in a single website. The admin can add packages to the website from a certain travel agents and hotels by create a tour page. Then the user can sign in and book each project. They can be confirmed by the admin in their manage booking page. The user can see the confirmation in their my booking page. It is the easiest platform for all the travelers which can be easily booked and know the all details. Problem statement. There are many applications and websites which will allow to book the hotel, but there are very few websites which give us the suggestion of the places with the amount which a person can afford to spend. Brief description. In this website, a person can enter the amount which he or she can spend while traveling, and we will show him or her the areas which he or she can visit with a specified amount. Person can keep that place in mind and visit the places where he or she wants to visit. Person can manage all the trip schedule, and it will be easy for him or her to keep a track of her destination. Now I request Deep Pandya to explain further.
Uniqueness. There are many websites which gives comparison between hotels, but there are very few websites which gives the information regarding the destination. This website will show the picture of the destination and will provide some information regarding that place, keeping in mind the budget of the person. Person can make a list where he can visit in future also. Models of project: registration, view package, login, cancel package, unknown place, and feedback. This is DFD diagram of our website. Future scope: we will add new functionality as per requirements. We will add payment gateway. We will try to make our website app more secure so that there can be no issue of data. We will try to keep our website app as simple as possible so that anyone can use it. Thank you.